When it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal, improving security, and boosting energy efficiency, one of the simplest yet most impactful updates you can make is replacing your doors. Whether you're looking to replace an entry door, patio door, or interior doors, the right choice can transform the look and feel of your space. In Houston, with its unique weather conditions and diverse housing styles, choosing the best door replacement for your home requires careful consideration. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you choose the perfect door replacement for your home. Consider the climate and weather conditions. Houston's hot, humid summers and mild winters make door material selection critical. You'll want a door that can withstand the city's intense heat, occasional storms, and humidity. Some materials are more durable and weather-resistant than others, which is essential for Houston's fluctuating weather. Fiberglass doors. These are among the best choices for Houston homes, as they resist warping, cracking, or swelling due to moisture. Fiberglass doors are energy efficient, highly durable, and can mimic the appearance of wood, making them a versatile choice. Steel doors. Steel doors are another strong option, offering superior security and protection against the elements. They provide excellent insulation, helping you to keep your home cool during the summer heat and warm during winter. Wood doors. While wooden doors are aesthetically pleasing and can add warmth to your home, they are more susceptible to damage from humidity and extreme temperatures. If you opt for wood, make sure it is properly sealed and maintained. Think about energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the most important factors when replacing doors. A well-insulated door can keep the heat out during summer and the warmth inside during winter, ultimately saving you money on energy bills. Look for doors that have the Energy Star label or those that are designed with high insulation ratings, such as those made of fiberglass or insulated steel. For instance, doors with a core of polyurethane foam or polystyrene are great at reducing energy transfer, ensuring your HVAC system doesn't work harder than it needs to. Additionally, doors with proper weather stripping will reduce drafts and improve overall energy efficiency. Match the style to your home's aesthetic. The door you choose should complement the style and architecture of your home. Whether you have a modern, traditional, or rustic style, there are a wide range of door options that can match your aesthetic. Contemporary homes. Sleek, simple lines and bold designs are key for modern homes. Consider a door with large glass panes or a minimalist steel door to give a clean, modern look. Traditional homes. For a more classic style, a wooden door with decorative paneling or intricate carvings may be ideal. You can also choose a door with glass inserts or side lights to allow natural light into your entryway. Rustic homes. If you have a farmhouse or country-style home, a solid wood door with a natural finish or even a barn-style door may suit your tastes. By choosing a door that complements your home's existing style, you'll ensure that it adds to your home's curb appeal rather than detracts from it. Prioritize security features. Security is a top priority when choosing a door replacement, especially for your entryway. Your front door is the primary line of defense against intruders, so it's essential to choose a door that provides adequate protection. Steel doors. If security is a major concern, steel doors are a top choice. They are incredibly strong and can be reinforced with high-quality locks and deadbolts. Multi-point locking systems. For added security, look for doors that feature multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at several points along its frame, making it harder for someone to force it open. Glass doors. If you prefer a glass door, make sure it's made with tempered or laminated glass to prevent breakage. Additionally, you can opt for decorative glass that still provides visibility but is harder to break. Consult a professional door replacement company. The installation of a new door is just as important as the door you choose. For the best results, consult with a professional door replacement company in Houston. A skilled team will help you select the right door based on your needs, preferences, and budget, while also ensuring that the door is installed correctly for maximum security and efficiency. Reputable companies will offer a variety of door styles and materials, along with customization options to suit your home's unique needs. They'll also guide you through choosing the best door that fits your specific requirements, whether that's increased security, improved insulation, or aesthetic appeal. Final thoughts. Replacing your doors is a significant investment in your home, and choosing the right one requires careful thought and consideration. By taking into account Houston's climate, your home's style, energy efficiency, security needs, and working with a professional, you can make an informed decision that will benefit your home for years to come. So, whether you're updating the look of your home or improving its performance, a well-chosen door replacement can make all the difference.